Hi guys, this is episode 2 of Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Adventures on Monster Island, episode 2, Loco Punk and the Gunkster. Morning. There is a yawn. Hello there. Hello. What's your name? My name is Hightail. Yeah. Hightail Hauler. Hightail Hauler? Yep. And yours? Oh, Loco Punk. Loco Punk, huh? Nice to meet you. Where are you going? I'm going to a race where Bigfoot is. Oh. Wanna come? Sure. Come on, follow me. Welcome to the Bigfoot Run race. Bigfoot against Monster Vet. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go! Time to chew. What's a banana peel? Oh. Bigfoot wins. And all right, yeah. I gotcha. Thanks. No problem. See you next time. See ya. That was great. That was great. Hey, Bigfoot. Thank you. Thank you. I'll try my best. And where you go? Thank you, Loco Punk. You knew it, yeah. Here. Get ready! Wait, what? What was that? To get guns! Oh! Why am I covered in mud? I know who that is. I know who that is. Wait, you do? Yeah, it's Gunkster. Gunkster? The stinkiest, messiest monster truck ever. Nobody can outmatch him. Maybe I can. Wait, you can? And yeah, man, I'm a steam engine. I can still steam engine monster truck. I could beat him. All right. Wait, hold on. Hey, just a minute. You think you can beat the Gunkster? Yeah, I can actually. I'm a steam engine. Let's see about that. Meet me tomorrow at shop. Well, look like you have your first challenge. See you around. Like, we gotta tune you up. Come on. See ya, Loco Punk. See ya. Time to tune you up. Ready? Ready. Alright. See you tomorrow. See ya. Tomorrow? Ready to lose, Loco, what the heck? My name again? Loco Punk? Yeah, Loco Punk. Are you ready to lose? In my dreams. 3, 2, 1, go! See ya. I don't think so. Nature power. Like steamed up. How did he do that? Your turn. Did he just turn a wheelie on one wheel? Looks like. Mud splash. What? Whoa. How the heck? Nobody missed the gunkster. Nitrate power, baby. Gunkster. Uh-oh, that ain't good. Gunkster, you alright? Everything hurts. I'll get you up. Ow, that hurts. Come on, we'll take you to the workshop. Okay. Get fixed. Yeah, he will get fixed. Don't worry, I'll fix you. Wow, I'm fixed. Thank Local Punk. Thanks, Local Punk. I'm sorry for gunking. Thank Local Punk. Come on. Look at our friends. Okay. Is he alright? Yeah, he alright. Yeah. Thank goodness. I'm sorry. I thought. Coolness. I need some pranks sometimes, but sometimes get a little too far off the pranks, gunkster. Maybe just prank some other times or something, okay? Okay. Good. Now, let's all be friends and just live to move on. Alright?